Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Doesn't a veggie wrap sounds good to you? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make your homemade tortilla and have your veggie wrap every time you are craving one. So let's just get right into it. So in a bowl, I take 3 cups of flour that I put in there. Then I will add 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I will whisk it all together to make sure the baking powder is blended well with the flour. To that I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I will continue whisking it. To that I will add 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can add shortening if you have some, but in this recipe I am choosing to use olive oil. Once I'm done adding the olive oil, I will start now adding 8 ounces of water. So I will add it gradually. And once the water is added, I will now start kneading the dough to make sure everything is blended in together. I will be kneading the dough for at least 10 minutes to make sure everything is blended in. So you can, if you don't like the consistency of the dough, mine is a little harder. Yours can be a little softer if you prefer. You can add a little bit more water. But in mine, in this case, I want my tortilla to be a little firmer than usually. So I left it a little harder without adding too much water. So you can see how I'm kneading the dough. And I'll add a little bit of olive oil just to coat it. So I'm going to continue kneading the dough for 10 minutes. And once I'm done now, I am going to divide the dough into little small dough balls. I will be making 14 tortilla flours. So now that I've divided it, I will put it into my container. And once I've done it, now I'm going to reshape my dough balls. So I'm just making sure that they are smooth. Once I'll be done shaping my dough balls, I am going to cover it with a wet paper towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then 15 minutes has passed by. It is now time to get my work surface ready. So I'll sprinkle some flour on the surface to make sure that the tortilla will not stick to it. Once I've done it, it's now time to start shaping my flour tortilla. So you can see the gluten is well developed, so it's really taking a good shape. Keep rolling the tortilla until you get to the shape that you desire. So once I'm done shaping my tortilla, I will set it aside and take another one and repeat the process until I will be done. So in a pan, I will take a little bit of butter that I will just grease the pan with. And once it's greased, I will now set the tortilla onto it. I will let it cook on one side for a couple of minutes until golden brown. Then once it's golden brown on one side, I will flip it over and let it cook on the other side. My tortilla has been on a pan for a couple of minutes now, so you can see it's cooked. And now I'm going to continue to cook some more. As other tortillas are now on the pan, I am prepping my container To keep my tortillas warm, I take a container where I put first a kitchen towel underneath, followed by a slightly wet paper towel and covered with aluminum foil. So you can fold the tortilla, it comes right back into normal, and you can see the rest of it too. So now it's time to serve. So I will take one tortilla and I will start putting my vegetables on it. And now I'm putting my tomatoes. I also have some avocados. You can add whatever you would like to on your tortilla, whatever you wish. And but for me, I will put some corn too. Now some cilantro too. And I will add some pepper, salt. I will also sprinkle some parsley to give it a very good taste. I will also add some olive oil. And you can see, how yummy. So I'm gonna try it. So you can see the tortilla is still the same. It's not broken down. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification for more videos. I hope you try it. Enjoy.